Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be learning about Disk Defragmenter. Disk Defragmenter is a utility by Microsoft which consolidates fragmented files on your computer's hard drive, and it improves the system performance. To open Disk Defragmenter, go to Start menu, Accessories, and you will find Disk Defragmenter in the System Tools. This is how it looks like, and here you can search more about Disk Defragmenter. The first tab you're looking at is the schedule. We can configure a schedule, setting the frequency, weekly, daily, or monthly, or we can set date, day, and time. We can also go ahead and do it for separate drives like C, D, E. So this was the schedule. The scheduled defragmentation is turned on right now. You can turn off or turn on and set your own configurations if you want to. If you want to defragment it manually, you'll see this current status tab here. Here, disk, last run, and progress is given. I've selected my C drive. It says it is 0% fragmented. In D drive, you can see it is 1% fragmented. So we can apply defragmentation on this one. For that, there are two options given. One is analyze disk and other is defragment disk. We can select multiple drives at a time and we can apply the defragmentation on them. To do that, select the drives and then click on Analyze Disk. As you can see, the analysis progress is here. If you want to stop the operation, you can click on Stop Operations. If you directly want to defragment, you can select the drive and click on Defragment Disk. It will start the automatic analysis and the progress will be shown here. As you can see, it is now 43% defragmented. As we have seen earlier, we can stop it by clicking on Stop Operation. So this was Windows Disk Defragmenter, which comes along with Microsoft Windows operating systems. Thank you.